come to you with my head bowed low, nothing in my hands, just an empty, broken heart, bruised and defeated, persecuted by the foe. Take these broken pieces and give me a new start. Take my heart, make it thine. Take my life, redesign. As I bow before you, Lord, send your Holy Ghost divine. Take my will, take my all, and your ear to me incline. Take my heart, make it thine. Take my life, redesign. As I bow before you, Lord, send your Holy Ghost divine. Take my will, take my all, and your ear to me. In my strife and rebellion, I have wasted many years. I have wandered far away from the old paths that I knew. But it's only in your presence that I'm free from my fears, all my care and despair. Lord, I bring them now to you. Take my heart, make it thine. Take my life, redesign. As I bow before you, Lord, send your Holy Ghost divine. Take my will, take my all, and your ear to me incline. Take my heart, make it thine. Take my life, redesign. As I bow before you, Lord, send your Holy Ghost divine. Take my will, take my all, and your ear to me incline. Take my heart, make it thine. Take my life, redesign. As I bow before you, Lord, Take my will, take my